guys, it's Kelly Shalal, registered dietitian and personal trainer behind the Healthy Living blog, Hungry Hobby, and I'm jumping on today to show you in video form one of my most popular recipes on the blog and something that I make literally 3 times a week for a healthy dessert, and it is my 1-minute peanut butter mug cake. So, the ingredients that are here, there's some optional ones that I don't have out, but the main ingredients that you need are a peanut butter powder. You can use, this is PB Fit, which I'll give a link to below, or you can also use PB2 or any other peanut butter powder. I use stevia drops. You could also use maple syrup or a real sweetener, like maple syrup or honey, etc. A little bit of baking powder and some kind of milk. I'm using almond milk, but you can use cow's milk or whatever you want. And the optional is the topping or chocolate chips. I usually put chocolate chips in, but I don't have any right now. So I'm going to show you how to make this awesome mug cake. So let's get to it. All right. So first thing you need is 1/4 cup of peanut butter powder, and that goes in your little dish. Now you can use a mug or any little dish. This is a little mini Pyrex dish, so it works perfectly for this. And then the recipe actually says 1/8 teaspoon baking powder, but I never measure it. I just put a little bit in. And a few stevia drops. And 1/4 cup milk. You can also use water. I've done that in a pinch. So just any kind of liquid will do. And then we're going to stir it up, and we want to have about the consistency of maybe toothpaste or a little liquidier like Greek yogurt. If it's too liquid, we can add a little bit extra peanut butter powder. And if it's not liquid enough, we can add a little bit more almond milk. It's really hard to mess this one up, guys. It's really, really easy, I promise. And once we got it stirred in, if you wanted to add chocolate chips in, which like I said, I typically do, but I don't have any on hand in the house right now. It's a major crisis. I don't know how I don't have chocolate chips in the house, but we don't, so. This is about the consistency we're going for. So my wonderful assistant, Mr. Hungry, is going to come in and show you about that consistency. So now, we're going to pop this baby in the microwave for 60 seconds. Okay, it's almost ready. 2, 1. Fastest healthy dessert ready in the world. I'm gonna use a hot pad here because it's really, really hot. All right, I like to top mine with some delicious creamy peanut butter. Spread that around. All right, Mr. Hungry's gonna bring it in. Show you. There's our peanut butter mug cake. It's pretty delicious. So this is my favorite healthy dessert, and I make it, like I said, 2 or 3 times a week, so I hope you enjoy. If you enjoy this dessert, you try it, please leave a comment. You can also get more recipes at hungryhobby.net, and if you click the link below to get access to my library of resources, I have recipe ebooks, healthy meal plans, nutrition guides, and more, all in my library of resources, so make sure you check that out. If you like this video, make sure that you hit that red notifications bell and subscribe to Hungry Hobby on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.